right, the top layer up here is the trapezius, and then this is a supraspinatus, rhomboidus around here, trapezius, levator scapula, right? Clavodeltoid, latissimus dorsi.
Oh, okay. I thought it was
This is an external
wing.
view.
Okay.
So,
I think this goes this way and this goes towards more.
and then if you flip it over, this is the infraspinatus. Right there. Got it? Is that all in the back?
That's it?
Oh, well, if you want, you can cover these.
Yeah, we need to
Okay.
That's what it is.
Sartorius is for
Sartorius right here. Tensor fascia latae.
Oh my gosh.
The tensor fascia latae.
Which one is out on this side? Is it this one?
Yeah.
Tensor fascia. Okay.
Tensor fascia.
Okay. This is the gluteus medius, gluteus maximus, caudofemoralis.
She told me that cauda means by the tail. That's what it's from.
Okay, caudofemoralis, gluteus maximus.
This big thing is biceps femoris.
Yeah, this one. Biceps femoris. And then this would be the vastus lateralis.
Right under
Medialis is over here.
This one. Or you can flip it. You can see this one is the vastus lateralis, vastus medialis. The hot dog is the rectus femoris.
Okay. Vastus lateralis, vastus medialis, and
Rectus femoris. And then this one,
adductor femoris.
this one is the gracilis. It was the top part, top layer.
that covered all the muscles.
Yeah.
That covers this part.
The bottom, yeah. It was the sartorius and the gracilis
Oh,
together.
it was like this.
Yeah. So we replaced
Really good. Okay. Glad it came.
semitendinosus, semimembranosus, adductor femoris, adductor longus. The dark one, the dark colored one.
This one?
Yeah, the dark colored one.
What is that again?
Adductor longus.
Oh, it's the same color to me.
Well, usually the top part,
It's darker?
yeah,
Oh,
the top part. Because if you can look over there, so the top part is usually the adductor longus, adductor femoris. And is that it?
Is adductor femoris the same thing as adductor longus?
No, they're two different things. The adductor longus is always the top part.
Well, it's kind of short.
Yeah. And then adductor femoris.
So it's like by the fingers.
I think that's it. And then gastrocnemius.
Is this a soleus?
Soleus is below the gastrocnemius. Fibularis longus, or peronis longus. Extensor digitorum longus. And then the tibialis anterior. And we're good.